Hello, today I am going to show you how different cultures creates breads. Stay with me on this beautiful journey. This is Jing Xiu from China, and she is going to show us how bread is made from some parts of China. Here we have got Hazmik and Mariam from Armenia. Let's see how their bread is created using traditional cooking style. Their guests loved and enjoyed their cooking. I wish I was there too to have the taste. This is Uzbekistan. Samarkand bread is a traditional type of bread in Uzbek culture, known for its unique flavor and texture. Join me and see how it's made. This is Chai Lai from Bangkok, Thailand. This is how their bread is made. Their technique is so unique that if you try it at home you can end up with burned bread, but see how she is calm. This is an art for sure. This is Kenya from eastern part of Africa. This is how they make bread for commercial purpose. The technique is a mixture of both traditional and modern method. Let's see how they do it. This is flatbread from the best part of the word. Guess where it is and leave a comment. Whoever gets it right will win a very beautiful present. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and tell us which cultural thing will you want us to show in the next video.